Hey everyone, we are here at the El Morro Historic Fort in San Juan, Puerto Rico. We want to share with you what it's like to visit, so let's go check it out. So we made it to the fort, but I feel like we took the back way in. I think this is where all the employees park behind us, so
the creative way
to get here. But you can see the big fields here. National Park Service.
There is more of a breeze up here, and I know that this area is really popular for flying kites. We don't see any kites right now. It is pretty early, but I know with the wind, it is a popular thing to do.
These fields are massive out here as well. They're huge, super cool. All right, there's the fort there. We made it.
Now it is really hot and humid, even though it's early. People are hiding in the shade to get out of the heat.
Now the current hours are 9:30 to 4:30. They do not accept cash, but they do take credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay. It's $10 for adults and it's free for ages 16 and under. Here's the walls here, and we're seeing iguanas on the walls. There's a few of them here. One hiding right there.
I don't think he's hiding. I think he's basking in the sunshine.
Yeah, enjoying the heat out here. Once you get inside here, there's all sorts of different rooms that you can explore. They've got some restrooms in here as well if you do need them. This one here, I think the first one, this is the church or the chapel.
I love how the rooms are curved, like it's really circular.
Yeah.
And there are holes that go from room to room without stepping back into the courtyard.
Cannons, armory, so much to see in here. We're just showing you a glimpse of some of them here. This here is the prison, the El Morro's prison.
Oh, and you can imagine being locked in here and seeing the civilians and the soldiers walking by and pleading for them to help you.
Yeah, the flags up here, so much to see, great views. Let's head on up to the upper level here. There's kind of a guards tower or something up here.
And you can see the metal, which was used to slide the cannons around.
Yeah, and I think another iguana out here. They're just enjoying the views. Now this area, if you are here with kids, be very careful because there are drop-offs without kind of guardrails. It's really high up here, and you can get a better view of how large and expanse those fields are here in front of the fort. Off in the distance, you can see the graveyard there, and here is the courtyard from above. This place is really cool. Lots to see here, and just the history is awesome. What do you think, Andrea?
And the breeze and the weather and the views and the... I just need to learn to look where I'm walking though, because it is a little uneven. I've tripped a few times. Yeah.
This guy is huge.
I think the iguanas are defending the fort. They're the new soldiers.
I think you're right. We're gonna head on down to the lower level. There's stairs going down there, or there's kind of a walkway in the middle. And this is a great photo stop here. You can see the ocean, the kind of reefs here.
I love, again, how all these rooms are circular. It's really like cool architecture to see.
And the triangle stairs can take us up to the upper level again. These are high steps.
Yeah, this is quite the gluteus maximus workout.
So again, that's the San Felipe Del Morro Castle. It's a 16th century Spanish fortification.
With lots and lots and lots and lots of cool stuff to check out. It's absolutely amazing.
So I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of the El Morro Historic Fort in San Juan, Puerto Rico. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with us on social media and subscribe here on YouTube. We'd love to have you join the Northern Viking community. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.